Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is good and stuck in the home due to lockdown. So in lockdown what we are doing is we are making some new food. We are doing our things which make us good. So here today I have brought something which I like to do. So I will show one recipe today which I want to show like how I am making the things is. So we are going to start it. So let's start it. So today I want to make the prawn malai curry. It is one of the Bengali most favorite food. Anybody listen about the malai curry, definitely mouth will be full of water or mouth water. Starting with our ingredients, first I have taken here 2 potatoes, 2 medium sized potato. I have chopped like this, like a small pieces. So I have to fry this and it should be boiled first. So I have made this size out. So here I have taken the garam masala. So I have taken here garam masala. In this is black cardamom, green cardamom 4 pieces, then cinnamon like 1 inch kind of, then 4 cloves I have taken, 1 bay leaf. Here I have taken the 2 red chili. Here onion. So almost 3 medium size onion I have chopped it. Here I have taken the 1 half tablespoon of ginger and half tablespoon of garlic paste. So next our ingredients is here coconut paste. So like with 1 full hand of coconut I have mixed with 3 green chilies and I have made the paste with little watery. So here I have taken the cumin seed, that is also half or almost 1 tablespoon. So now I will show the prawn here. So here is our prawn. So I have put some turmeric and some salt and I have marinated like almost 1 hour. So after that I have to fry it. But before frying I will show the dry masalas. So here I am putting almost 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So I will take it almost 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of dhania powder, almost 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, and the remaining is I need to take the garam masala. So here is our garam masala is 1 tablespoon, I mean teaspoon. So here I have taken 1 kadai. So until the heat up we have to wait and then we'll pour the mustard oil. So basically we'll do the this prawn malai curry with the mustard oil. So we'll wait until the kadai has heated up. Now we are pouring the oil. So it's almost very little oil, 5 to 6 spoon oil will be there. So here once oil has heated up we will put our prawn. So here I will just lightly sort it out. We Bengali will never leave the prawn head, as normally like in South India they will leave the prawn head. So as I'm staying in South India, here the prawn head is separated. So this will be lightly sorted out with the maximum temperature, because already we have given the salt and the turmeric, no, so it will be like water will come out. So this will be the color. Until that we have to cook it. It will be very minimal time, like almost 5 to 6 minutes we have to fry it. Then we have to remove the water and we need to strain out the water and separate the prawns. So now we will make the curry. So I am pouring again here mustard oil, that's also 4 to 5 spoon. Now once it will be heat up, we will put the garam masala, Then we'll add the red chili and one bay leaf. So with the strain over water, what we will do is we will boil our potato. Already salt is added over there, so we are not adding extra salt. The temperature will be high first. Once it will be start boiling, we will make it as a medium temperature. So we are putting the lid over there. As we are seeing, already vapor is coming out. So we are making it this medium flavor, and we are making the curry first. So we are adding the cumin seed also over here. It's almost going to be done. I'm adding the onion. So once the onion will be done, that time we will add the ingredients one by one. So here onion is almost done. I'll add the ginger and garlic. Once ginger and garlic also will be mixed with the onion, that time we'll add the tomato. I forgot to tell about the tomato. So we have to take almost 3 small piece of tomato, or you can take the 2 medium piece of tomato also. So we are adding here 3 small piece of tomato. Let the tomato mix with the curry. Then we have to add the all spices one by one. So our tomato already have mixed up with the curry. So now we will pour the masala. I have mixed little bit of water, and then I'm mixing the masala. Once masala will be mixed completely and the curry will be ready, we'll mix the prawn. So before that, I have to mix the coconut also. That process I will show you. So here I am adding the salt as much required. You can add the salt. So while frying the masala or while frying the onion, tomato, I have put little bit salt. So I am adding very little here. So one more thing we have to add is sugar. It is very mandatory things in the prawn malai curry, because the coconut taste should be absorbed with that. So very minimal this much amount of sugar we are adding. It is almost half tablespoon. So here I am adding little bit of water to properly cook the masala. So when the oil will comes up, we can understand the masala is completed. In that way we have to mix the coconut milk. So why I am telling here coconut milk? I have taken the coconut, I have showed you before. So here is the coconut milk is there. So what I did is I just grained the whole coconut, not whole coconut. I just filtered the coconut by my hand. So how much coconut can be filtered by my hand, that only I have done. So it is not fully coconut milk, but it's like that. It's kind of like liquidy things, we have to drain it out. So that only will be mixing up with the our masala. Then we have to mix our prawn and potato. That's it, our things will be done. So you can see very well the oil is coming up. So now I will mix the coconut milk. So here I am putting the all coconut milk. The coconut also is mixed together. So I will add little bit of water. And I will leave it until it mixes up properly. So to get the color, here I am adding little bit of Kashmiri Lal Mirch. We will mix it properly. So once it mixes up, we will mix our potato. Potato also I will show you now. Almost cooked. It's almost cooked. It should not be full cooked. So whatever we are making now, once we are putting the prawn, we have to add the potato. Otherwise the masala will not go inside. So I did not make it fully cooked. It's almost done. I'll add the potato. You can skip the potato also if you not like it, but as we are Bengali, we like the potato in everywhere, so we are adding it. It's not mandatory at all. So I have to give little bit of water to boil it out. Now the things will be boiled out and the coconut will be fully cooked with the potato. So once it will be starting the boiling, we will add our prawn over here. So it gets boiling, I'll add the prawn over here. I'll mix it. Now I leave it to boil. So once it will be done, I'll show you the final texture. So it's almost done here. I have adjusted the salt, so kindly check it out according to your taste. So here I am adding finally ghee. 1 tablespoon of ghee I am adding here. Now I'll mix it up and my things is almost done. So you can see the creamy texture of this. The smell is coming like wow. So I'm just adding the ghee, mixing it up until it melts. So here this time I am giving it like a full. So here I have put it the full flame and it's boiling almost. So it's almost done. Once the oil came up, we will understand the curry has completed. So here I'm serving with the hot rice. So I'll taste it and I'll let you know how the taste is. It's awesome. definitely I'll just recommend to try this out. So just let me know how it is. If you will try it, definitely I know the taste will be very good and you will definitely like it. So just let me know in comment box how the taste is. Do like my video, share it and subscribe me. Thank you.